All right, we got the 9 amp hour charged up. Let's see what it does. All right, so on the 9 amp, we made 2 cuts. We made 2 cuts on the 6 amp battery. So this is some oak, it's tough. It's a branch that was cut about a year ago and laid out here. Thought I was gonna do something with it, but now I'm cutting it up. The saw cuts pretty good for a battery saw, but with the 6 we made 2 cuts on this. With the 9 we made 2 cuts on this. So if you're making cuts on some smaller wood or a softer wood, it's probably good. But the 12 amp that come with it is charging now, so maybe we'll get 3 cuts with it on this. We're gonna cut some smaller limbs off some other trees, but if you need it in a pinch or you're trying to cut some smaller stuff, I'd go with the battery. But for sure, for something like this, you probably ought to just get some gas.